Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com. Today is Friday, July 15. My name is Henry, and the time is around 2 a.m. GMT now. So today we are going to look at the chart of silver right here. Okay, and we just did this about 2 weeks ago, but I thought that want to do it again now to give an update where we are now. We talked about the target 2 weeks ago, and we mentioned the if you look at the zooming out here to the daily time frame or even the weekly time frame, okay, that we're looking for minimum 100% extension here, and we hit it, right? We hit it just today. Now that I mean, remember, this is an area, it's not a level, okay? So don't think that we hit this and therefore it's finished and then it's ready to rally again. Absolutely not. It's an area, it's a big area, right? And but this is giving us a warning sign that okay, from this point on, things may not go very easy, and it might get choppy, right? It might get really choppy, in fact. Now that doesn't mean we cannot extend low. It could, but the move down, it can get more choppy from this point on. We can get a rally here and there, bigger rally, and then going down again and so on. So it's trying to form some sort of lows somewhere within this area, right? Now going back to the 1 hour time frame, we're now looking for further downside still, but as you can see in the chart here, we are looking for this with 3 in the minor degree to end soon, right? Now this obviously is not worth it to chase when it is going to end soon, but are we sure it's gonna rally? Remember, it's still the trend and the momentum and everything still remains bearish for now. So unless you are someone who is really trading a big swing in the daily and the weekly, and you understand position sizing and risk management and all those things, then trying to pick the low here is almost impossible, right? Trying to pick the exact low is almost impossible. So that means if you're trading all this thing and you are retail traders, don't understand position size and so on, you can get damaged pretty badly, right? Because the momentum and everything still remains bearish for now. Also bullish in the US dollars, which is kind of related, right? And it can continue to go down without any doubt. But we're looking for, from this point on, things to get choppy, and it's not one-sided, it's not fully one-sided from this point on, and it can get quite challenging as silver trying to attempt to find a footing here in this current pullback. Okay, now let's take a look at the 4 hour now to see where this 3 and 4 relates to in the bigger picture. Now here is let me go down to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see right here, let's go to the daily first. Alright, so that with 3 and the 4 in the minor degree that you see over here in the 1 hour, right, that actually starts, that's the cycle from here, right? That is the cycle where it starts from June 6, right? So what we are seeing here is the June 6 cycle is in a 5 waves, and if this is a 3, then this, you can say okay, this is the 1 and 2, approximately this is your 1 and 2. So that cycle is about to complete, right? If you look at it that way, that cycle is about to complete. Now it's actually even more than 1.618. so if I make it bigger a little bit here, now you notice that there is even a possibility here that not only that the 3 here finish, but we could easily switch the 3 somewhere here, maybe here, and this is the 4, and we could be ending already the 5, right? So just to let you know, it's gonna be tough right now. It's gonna be choppy and not one-sided. um, can it extend a little bit lower? Yes, but soon we should be expecting some sort of um, a choppy movement, a back and forth, as it tries to find a footing or a low, right? So if you look at the divergence as of now, we do see a divergence right now. Let's take a look at the 1 hour over here between 3 and 5. Let me go from here to the 1 hour time frame, right? And check out to see here, right? Now you can see if you look at it from the 1 hour, it doesn't look like there is a divergence at the lows, and that's why we are calling this still only with 3, not not like putting 3 here, 4 here, for example, and then calling it with 5. It's because it looks very strong still, so we're still calling this still only ending with 3. So as a result, yeah, we should be looking for a rally, but then the rally should still fail and we should continue to go down again, even though we have already reached the minimum target level, but it's an area, and it doesn't have to stop precisely at the 100%, which is around 18.37, right? So for now, like I said, chasing the downside is just pretty risky, and we can do many things. We can do double in the 4, going down again to finish 5, but the bottom line is still we are expecting for the downside in the shorter cycle still, right? At least another leg down. So the worst, like what could be a little bit more bullish scenario? Well, the 3 could be finished here, for example, and then we could be starting the bigger with 4, or as the primary view here is looking for, we're looking for one more push to finish this with 3 in the minor degree, and then we can get a bigger rally in the wave 4 before going down again. So if this wave 4 happens, then usually it should be somewhere between 23.6, 38.2% retracement of the wave 3, right? So depending on where wave 3 is going to end, let's assume it goes one more leg lower before ending wave 3. Then let's say hypothetically, right? Let's say hypothetically end somewhere here. Then we should be looking for around $19 and 19.5 dollars, just to give you like a rough idea. That should be in the end of wave 4, and then we should be going down again. So we should be looking for a 3 waves rally, which will go into 19 to 19.5 like this, where this leg is equal to this leg, and then from here we can have another sell-off for one more boost on the downside. All right, so that's the short-term view in the silver right now. And if you do want to get regular updates on precious metals, commodities, Forex, indices, stocks, cryptos, feel free to take our trial. We have 14 days trial. You can follow the link in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next week, and have a nice weekend, everyone.